Well, welcome back, and we have had quite the range in temperatures today across our mountains. It was a chilly start, downright cold actually. Morning lows 12 degrees out of the Beckley area. That is well below average, but we got to 50 degrees, so we ended up above average for our daytime highs. Temperatures at the 6 o'clock hour actually still not all that bad. 30s through the Greenbrier Valley for most of the area and the high terrain. 40s from Lewisburg and over into the western counties down through Fayette, Raleigh, and the Coalfield. So not a bad evening across the area. We are dry out there as well. High pressure is still in control, and temperatures tonight will not back off all that much. That's because the winds are increasing, so that's preventing us from optimal cooling heading into the night. Temperatures are going to be in the 30s tonight and will warm up fast again tomorrow. We'll still stay dry, but we will notice a couple more clouds. Because we're dry tomorrow, if you need to get some of that salt off the car, some of that winter mud, you can definitely do that tomorrow. Thursday, probably not the day because we'll have some rain, and the rain's going to do it for us across the area. We could have quite a bit of it. In fact, we're in a level 1 severe threat across portions of the area issued by the Storm Prediction Center. Basically anywhere from 64 southward, basically the turnpike southward and westward from Fayette County down through Raleigh and the Coalfields. Doesn't mean we couldn't see an isolated storm outside of this heading into Thursday. But we are on the edge, so it's unlikely that most of the area experiences much of anything in terms of that severe threat. It's just something we're watching. This is a very strong and robust system that's coming our way towards the end of the week, and it's going to fuel really quite the wind gusts across the area starting tomorrow. Even as it's still well off to the middle of the country, we could have breezy conditions out of the south at gusts upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour across the mountains. That is something we really want to keep in mind. It's going to be dry tomorrow as well, so we'll have to watch out for that. And then those wind gusts heading into Thursday, not much better. In fact, likely getting stronger across the area. Gusts out of the still out of the south-southwest at 30 to 40 miles per hour. Some places will gust higher than that. So definitely going to be watching that as we head into Thursday, in addition to the rain across the area. Tomorrow we are still dry. We're dealing with those fair weather clouds. Not a bad February day across the area. And then going into Thursday, we do start off dry, but we end with that rain. It starts off in the form of showers, and then later into the night, we start to get some of that heavier rainfall, and then we start to see some mixing on the back end. Yes, we could see some wet snowflakes and some mixing in there into the morning hours. That being said, we're not expecting much accumulation from this. That cold air does not meet that moisture quick enough, and then we do dry on out heading into Saturday. This is a mostly rain event. In fact, so much so that we are watching a minor flood threat in addition to that minor severe threat, level 1 threat of flooding heading into Thursday for much of the area. Not expecting too much in the way of widespread water issues, mainly because we haven't seen too much snow recently, but the ground is still fairly saturated. So we'll have to watch out with some heavier bands of rainfall across the mountains. We're also cooling down behind this. Tomorrow we're in the 50s to near 60 degrees. Thursday, much of the same, even above 60 degrees in spots. But that sharp cold front comes through fast. That could mean a flash freeze heading into Friday morning. So we'll have to watch out for some slick roadways heading into the end of the work week. It does cool down briefly heading into Friday, but we do have a fairly nice weekend ahead next weekend, warming up quickly again back to the 50s heading into next week. Samantha.